Hello everyone, welcome to Stats 2108 or Tech 4025 Applied Statistics. I will be your instructor over the next 13 weeks. My name is Lin Wu. On this corner you can see this is my name and you can call me Lin. And this course fulfills the requirement of both your program. It provides the basic elements of descriptive and inferential statistics. And this short video will guide you through some major components for this course. So the first, you can see course home. This is the course home page, and on the left hand there's announcements, and on the right hand side is a calendar, and it will give you the due date once we set up the course properly. Upcoming events, it will show the due dates, and the course content goes to course content. And this one is under course information. We will have introduction. You probably see this video here. And then there's a instructor's profile, course syllabus. So that's course syllabus. Take a look at this one. And this one is basically we have the required course material. Textbook is this Stats, Data and Models, 3rd Canadian edition. And remember to purchase this one with the access codes to the Pearsons MyLab. And if you click this link, there's a Pearsons bookstore, the Canadian bookstore. You can purchase there. It's also available in a Mount bookstore, and also Mount bookstore also provides shipping options, I think. So this year we will use Microsoft Excel to do majority of statistic calculations and the graph. And although there's a couple functions we cannot use Excel. Excel does not provide those functions, but once we go to that chapters, we will talk about this one later on. Another option, if you choose to use some statistics software, we used Minitab before a couple years. So that's if you want to purchase this one, this is a 6 months period version for $30, and it only available for Microsoft PC. So that's from previous experience. It's only working for Microsoft PC. And major topics, we probably cover 24 chapters of this textbook. And this is an evaluation scheme. We get 15% of weekly self-test, term assignments 15%, 2 term tests 30%, and final exam is 40%. So that's basically 10 weekly self-tests, 5 assignments, 2 term tests, and 1 final exam. And under course contents, there is this under syllabus, there's evaluation more requirements details for each assignments. Self-test is under here. Course timeline. So this one we also have course timeline. This is web page version. You can also find the PDF version under course notes PDF version. So we encourage you to print this out so you can see the due dates for every week. And we have course notes, PDF version. That's for the printout. If you want to save this one on your computer or print it out. And this is a one-page version if you only want to check the notes on the websites. And this is assignments. Make sure we get the assignments posted, and then after due date, I will post the solutions. This year we will have 3 applied statistic class, so it will take some time to marking each of your assignment and provide the feedback. And then there's final exam materials. That's later on we will see. Give you more instructions under for this one. And the resources under this resources, you can see there's data files. That's some data files we will use. And then there's Excel videos. So far I only posted like 4 videos for Excel. Let's just use because the Excel for statistics, some special functions we need. So we can give some instructions here. And then there's mini tab videos. That's from previous year. If you choose to use mini tab, and this one will guide you through it. Basically very detailed each functions. It has a video here. And come back to communication. Under communication, we'll set up discussion boards. So under the discussion boards, basically we will set some general course information. And there is a computer access problems. If you have computer access problems, you can post it here, and I will answer your questions, or others. If you know the answers, you can help each other out. And then there's so that's Pearsons MyLab access. And before we have mini-tab access problem issues, this year we probably posted Excel questions here. And then there's assigned works, so also assignments, self-test, term test, final exam. So basically you can post your questions for, so basically if you have questions, say I have question for assignment 2, then you post under assignment 2 and then questions number with your problems. And I will help you in our response in timely manner. And then we go to assessments. So you probably are familiar with this one. Under assessment, there is assignments. So assignments, basically this is a Dropbox for your assignments. So I will set up, say, assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the due date, I didn't change this one yet. So this is due date. Later on you will see your due dates. So you must submit your due date submit your assignment before due dates. And the second one, you check your grades frequently, because I didn't set up the grades yet, so you didn't see anything here. But once the formal course is set up, this one, it will show you the self-test marks, assignment marks, term test marks, and final exam marks. And let's see, the final exam, basically we will use this quiz function. So final exam will use this quiz function. Goes to quiz function, and you can see there is this is from previous year. We have the final exam. That's the basically it will be here. And one more thing is go to Pearsons because our self-test, so let's go to here. So we can see we have self-test, and so self-test and the term test, so basically these two will use the Pearsons MyLab. So how to access Pearsons MyLab is you go to your course home. So that's the place we didn't introduce here, is here. Now Pearsons MyLab is, you can click this link directly. It will open the Pearsons MyLab. So go here, click. So you can see this is a Pearsons MyLab stats, my stats lab. So from your student link, so that's you will see my stats all assignments. So go to here. Already set up a couple more. No. Okay, go back. That's the instructors sets. So in my instructor sets, I already post the self-test number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 self-test and a 2 term test. That's the. So basically, on your screen, you may not see all of them. But a couple of the you still can see those terms and the due dates. There is assigned date, start date, due date. So here has no due date, but in your assignment self-test has due dates. So here is no due date because after I get your grades transferred to D12, I will open this one again, so you can review those questions at a later time or prepare for your term test or final exam. So that's why there's no due date here. And I think that's all for the introduction. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, send me course email, or post your questions under this discussion topic, corresponding topics. Say if you have general course information questions, you can post it here, or you have access questions, you can post it here. And one more thing we want to talk about is in the here, because some of you purchased the textbook with the access code through the online bookstore, so it will take a couple days or few days to come in. So so there's creating Pearson account and 14 days temporary access. So there is a 14 days temporary access under this bottom. So there is, we should have 14 days access, temporary access. You can access those self-test, because self-test 1 will be due on the first week. So that's the you can create a temporary access to finish those self-tests. Once your access code come in, you can active your Pearsons MyLab. Use your access code. And I think that's all for now. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye.